Here is an important weather report about blizzards. A blizzard is a dangerous storm of the dangers is shoveling heavy snow.
Blizzards are a good time to have hot chocolate. It is hard to see in a blizzard. In a blizzard, the roads may be icy. Don't drive. The winds make the temperature freezing cold. Uncovered skin can get frostbite quick. Dress more warmly. Wear a hat, gloves, snow pants, and boots. Be safe and stay home. We hope that this report will help you be safe if you are ever in a blizzard. Blizzards are in extreme weather.